Hello everyone. Today we are unboxing and testing a 12-inch FLP Flameproof Exhaust Fan EF301 series. If you work in chemical, pharma, paint booth, solvent storage, oil and gas, battery rooms, or any hazardous zone, this product is made exactly for that environment. Alright, let's start the unboxing. Inside the box, we have first, this 12-inch FLP exhaust fan body. Second, any mounting hardware or accessories provided by the manufacturer. Third, documentation, if included. If you are buying this for a hazardous area, always verify the accessories like cable glands, hardware, and mounting items as per your site requirement. Now let's do a quick walk around. You can see the industrial-grade body, strong construction, and the enclosure design that is meant for hazardous applications. This is not a normal ventilation fan. This is a flame-proof ventilation unit designed for safer operation in flammable gas environments. Now the most important part, let's read the nameplate. This is a 12-inch FLP exhaust fan, and the standard mentioned is IS/IEC 60079-1. The protection marking is XT, and the gas group marking includes IIA and IIB. Ingress protection is IP66, which means it is highly protected against dust and strong water jets. Temperature class is T6. The series or category is mentioned as the EF301 series. The certificate number shown is SIMFR TR20 H308 2021. Now the electrical rating. Voltage is 230 or 440 volts AC, and frequency is 50 Hz. Power is 0.18 kilowatt, which is around 0.25 HP. Current is listed as 1.8 amp at 230 volts and 0.37 amp at 440 volts. Speed is 1500 RPM. And airflow is mentioned as 1250 CFM. And one safety message is clearly written. Do not open when energized. So always isolate the supply before opening anything. Now where do we use this fan? This fan is ideal for ventilation in hazardous zones, like chemical plants, paint and coating areas, solvent rooms, pharma production zones, oil and gas utility areas, battery charging rooms, and any area where flammable vapors may be present. Basically, wherever safety ventilation is needed and a normal fan is not acceptable. Now let's check the working. We've mounted the fan securely and selected the correct supply as per the nameplate rating. Earthing is connected properly, and the area around the fan is clear. Now, power on. You can see the fan starts smoothly and reaches full speed quickly. Now, power off. That's the working demo of this 12-inch FLP exhaust fan. So this was the unboxing and working demo of the 12-inch FLP Flameproof Exhaust Fan EF301 series. If you want pricing, availability, or selection support based on your hazardous area classification, message us. You'll find our contact details in the description. And if you want more industrial product unboxings and working demos, subscribe to the channel. Thank you.